Hey, how you doing? This is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction here in beautiful Bel Air Bluffs, Florida. I am working out of the home shop today, and I'm working on my own personal Dodge Caliber. High time I clean the interior properly on this car. I want to show you two tools I'm working with. This is, yes, my extractor. Yes, it is an Edict Endeavor. Yes, it is a $6,000 machine. It does have 2,000 PSI if you so desire. That would be for grout cleaning. It's got a two-stage vacuuming system, so light vacuuming, really pull hard vacuuming. Got a nice big, I think it's a 20-gallon reservoir tank with clean water. And I am using this today with two tools that I think are amazing. I actually am just finishing up. I've been kind of working on and off throughout the day. Seats came out really nice. There was some pretty serious staining. I cut a video earlier today that had a lot of stains on these back seats. They look beautiful right now. Carpets are all done. And as I've been using these two tools, and I've cut a few videos throughout the day, so around this section, if you're just seeing this, if you go into my library, you'll probably see some other videos related to interior cleaning. But aside from some things that are just falling into the car, it's pretty windy. There's a storm coming. My last and final procedure on the interior clean is to kind of invigorate using this steamer. And with all the cleaners and all the things that I've done to the seats and the carpeting, I've got two tools that I finish with. This tool is the steamer with the brush attachment, and it allows me to get right up and kind of get all the cleaner, everything that I've used up to this point, to kind of reinvigorate. Whoops. I've got my auto on. So I've got two tools that now that my cleaner and any kind of stains that have been revitalized, if you will, with the power of steam, I'm going to take you back over. We're going to click the machine on here. It's a little loud. I just thought I'd get some better audio with it off. So bear with me. I'm not going to really say too much from here on out. And I'm just going to show you the two tools that I use to finish the job. So for my main surface areas, I do use this extractor. It is very high quality. It does have a see-through. I do like to be able to see stains being removed and when things are clean and when they're not. It's got a valve you can open up. You can give it a little more power or less power. Maybe if you're working on a headliner and you want less power, you can just move your thumb finger and do that. And it also just does a really great job. So the internal mechanism for the injection of the clean water, you can see. If I spray it, it doesn't shoot out all over like a lot of people's extractors. When you put it down, it goes right to the bottom and it comes right up. But again, look, I'm pushing this. It doesn't shoot out all over because it's an internal mechanism. This is far superior in my mind. So that's great for tool number one, but what about getting in these little tight places that you just can't fit an extractor? Well, let me show you. So this may be a tool that many of you haven't seen before. This is a stainless steel crevice tool for an extractor. It is amazing. It also has the control if you want to, whoops, I just pressed the trigger when I did that. But it really gets in these nice tight places. As you can see, the extractor, injector rather, is right up in the tool. Now when I press this, a little bit does come out. But when you're down and you have the suction and you're down in between seats like this, you can shoot this and it is laying down and sucking up, and then you can follow along and dry it very nicely. Again, when you're in these tight areas, I'll show you the shooting and getting into those little tight nooks and crannies, tight areas that you could just never reach. Look at this. Here I am in between the seats. I'm going to pull the trigger. I am extracting. I am